You know, when you notice that you come home and all of a sudden you feel this kind of sadness, this sorrow inside of you that just wants you to be inactive all day and not do anything at all. Just be sad in your bed. It's a feeling. I've been consistent for the gym for I don't know how long. For almost a year or two. I've built a great physique and I've been to the gym. I already said that, but fuck off, man. Fuck everyone and everything. What's the problem? Why do I feel sad? Why do I feel depressed? Why do I feel lonely? The question I ask myself, but I don't think I necessarily get an answer. Makes me angry, man. Makes me down. I don't feel like I have any friends who I can rely on. Damn. When I think about it, life kind of sucks. But it's because it sucks that we make it worth it. People always want to hide their weaknesses, hide whatever the fuck, and show they're all strong with. Why? Why do people have this need to do this all the time? Because they neglect their weaknesses to themselves. Wanting to hide it is one thing, but neglecting them is another. Who are my friends, man? Who can I really trust? Who can I say yes? That is my friend. I feel alone in this world. Always needing to do the most and rarely succeeding. I feel like a failure. And why do I feel like a failure? Because nothing works out. I guess I don't see the positive, the good things I do, or did. took action, made a self-improvement channel, helped some people out there. Still feel empty. I'm on my prayer. I'm trying to be close to God. There's a lot of improvement to be made, but I'm trying to be close to God, give up my gift to the world, yet I'm still suffering. Yet I still have this pain. What's the purpose, man? I feel like I'm behind. But I've been on this journey for not even a year now. Why do I feel behind then? You know, school hasn't been it. A lot of my grades are shit right now. A lot. Biology, English, German, math, history, a lot of it. So maybe I just want to give my all for the next upcoming 3 weeks. Okay, there are some shit people out there who are kind of douchebags. Not nice. And I can say these nice words like, oh, don't let these people let you down because your self-worth is more worth than anything combined. Do not care about all those people. Bloody, la-di, la. But, you know, if I tell you that, you've heard this a million times. Because I tell you that's not, you're not gonna change because of that. No. There used to be something else, something of more value shocking you. I have to figure that out. You know, fuck everything. Fuck people's their expectations, what I should have done, what I should have done this and that. You know, fuck them. Fuck everything. I'm struggling myself. Self-diagnosed depression. You know what's good for you. You know the things that are going to help you, but you're kind of like, it's not going to help me, man. They're giving you the advice. It's like, yeah, okay, cool. Now I know where it comes from, but I don't have the energy to fix it. But you will, and I will too. I'll understand what's bugging me and actually move forward, study more efficiently, and I will get there. Yeah. Yes. I'll get there. Fuck everybody. Fuck everything and everybody. Your parents, family, friends. In my case, I don't know if I have that many friends. They don't really hold me up. Even now. No? Yeah, I do have friends. Good people. But yeah, maybe it's my perception of it.